welcome back to our channel. Today I thought I'd do a little bit of a unboxing. I ordered some crochet kits that I saw advertised on Temu. I've actually forgotten what I've ordered. They come fairly quick from Temu. It's just that vibro brain, I forgot what I ordered. And the thing is with these packages, I don't seem to say on them what the kit is. So it just says DIY handicrafts professional starter pack. It's not quite a starter pack, as you can see. It's like an starter pack. Stimulate imagination and make various products. So it doesn't actually say anywhere that I can see what it actually is. So I don't even know. They must use some sort of barcode when they get them out and pack them to send off to you. Although I can see what this one is. This is a crow, which I've ordered because I've been asked to make a magpie. I haven't been able to find a pattern that I like to use for that, but I thought a crow could work, and I could just, you know, add some white and make that into a magpie. So I thought I'd give that one a go. And the other one, I can just see the little picture in there. If I give it a shake, I might shake it down. I think this was a little voodoo doll, but we will find out. We might start with this one actually, open it up and see what we get inside the kit. So just a little tear and reseal. Never get them off properly. So you can actually keep the project back in the bag after you've taken it out, which is always good. Get that open. So, okay. This is what we have inside the bag. It doesn't open up very big. So yes, it is a little cute little voodoo doll. I thought that was gorgeous. You could use him as a little pin cushion. So inside the kit, it comes with, oh, you even get a crochet hook, the right size that you need for the job. There's some safety eyes in there, the buttons, and some stitch markers, and a couple of darning needles. So that's pretty good for a kit. Comes with all the, you actually don't have to go out and buy anything, which is good by the looks. We'll see if there's stuffing in there, because that's something I assume you probably will need. So there's the black yarn that you need for the project, and obviously you don't need a lot, gauging by the little picture here. Oh, there's even on the back some QR codes for a tutorial video and a step-by-step PDF. And it says, if you're a beginner, please scan the QR code to view the tutorial videos and learn the basic crochet stitches, which is the best way to make you start as quickly as possible. So you could totally go from beginner with this particular kit pattern. So there's the main color yarn, and obviously you don't need much because it's not a big project, because he's meant to be a pin cushion. It's a little bit tricky to get out. I think this will be, yeah. So this is the polyfill, or whatever you call the stuffing that goes inside, and it's vacuum sealed. So we'd need to open that, which I will do, and that, there we go. Instantly it starts puffing up. So that's good. It's a good way to pack it for travel, for posting, all nice and flat. The other thing that's in here is a little the DIY handicrafts booklet. It's crochet knit for beginners, and it literally has like little instructions on the different stitches and stuff. So yeah, and about how to go about making, stitching edges together and sewing it together and all that kind of stuff. Finishing off your invisible fastens off and things like that. So that's a really handy little book. That's not exactly the instructions for the pincushion. You actually need to scan the QR code to get the PDF for that, or the tutorial. But they've included this little book, which is really handy. It's got the QR codes on the front to also watch videos for basic crochet technique. So that's a really awesome little, it says professional, and it actually does say starter on that one, not S-tarter. I was just trying to read what's on the back, but it's got a sticker over the top of it. But yeah, that's quite a comprehensive little kit, and I can't wait to get into that because I think he's going to look really cute. So put all that one aside, and we'll go for the next one. So go with this one. This was the crow. This was the S-tarter pack. I'm just being a smart aleck. So we'll open up this one and go through what's inside. Okay. For some reason these bags don't open up really big. So instantly we have our flatly packed fill, some black yarn, some more black yarn. We have a little bit of grey yarn. I'm just trying to get it in the right light to see what the colour is there. My eyeballs don't always work so well. There's some, this will be to stiffen up his legs, I think. Oh, I get that because I'm wearing black, so that doesn't help. Yeah, to make the legs stand up. If you understand what I mean there, and I'll be able to show you a picture in a minute that describes that. Again, we have the crochet hook, the darning needles, the safety eyes, stitch markers, and yeah, everything you need. And we have the crochet pattern in a book. So this one actually has the pattern. You don't have to scan the code for the QR, for the instructions. So when I said about his feet, I'll show you in this picture here. See how his legs, yep. So I'm assuming that's what that this is for. All right, so that's great. That's got the pattern book there ready to go, all the instructions. So again, that's fantastic. You get everything you need. There's nothing that you need to go out and purchase extra, as I said, because you even your crochet hooks. So I'm going to end up with a collection of little crochet hooks after all these kits. So this is the one I don't remember at all what this one was. So you're going to be just as surprised as me when we open it up. Or not, depends how you feel. Okay. It's the crow again. Somehow I've managed to order two. That doesn't surprise me. I did something recently where I accidentally somehow ordered my cart twice from Temu. So I just chalk that one up to Fibre-Fog. But interestingly enough, there was two lots in of that fibre. I call it polyfill. I don't know if that's exactly what this is, but yeah. Yep, again, there's everything the same in this kit as there was in the one we just opened, except for the fact that there were two lots of fibre fill. I don't know if this one was missing one or this one just accidentally has two extra. But that's okay, because if the other one was meant to have two and there isn't enough to make the crow, I can definitely just chuck some extra in. I have fibre fill hanging around in my craft room for stuff in crochet projects, and also sometimes I use it for needle felting to fill in a project if I don't want to use all my roving. I don't know if anybody else does that, but it's a little bit of a cheap way of doing it. You make your whatever you're needle felting with the fibre fill, polyfill, and then use the roving over the top to add the colour to it. That's just my little cheap way of doing it. It's a little bit cheaper because obviously the polyfill is a bit cheaper than your rovings. So yeah. So anyway, they're the 3 kits, or 2 kits, plus multiple, that I ordered off of Temu. Now I can't remember, and I should have had a look before I started the video, how much they cost. So I'll just pop that info in the description below so that you can have a look. Although I find with Temu, often the prices change. They change all the time. So I can, you know, when I give you the price that I paid for it, it's really only a ballpark figure for what you might end up paying for it yourself if you were to go and order these kits. But yeah, so I will shortly make these up, and then I will be able to update you guys and show you what they look like all done. I'm really excited about that, really looking forward to it. And I did notice when I was on Temu and I ordered these kits that they have a lot of these crochet kits. So I probably will order some more and do a few more different things. So as I said, as you guys have seen, they're quite comprehensive in that they have all the bits and pieces that you need. So if you are a beginner and you're interested in making toys, or you know, that amigurumi, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, you know, that these kits might be a great way to get you into doing that, especially if you're somebody who loves kits, because they are easy to use, you've got all your bits and pieces there. And, you know, great little travel kits too, because they're not, as you can see, they're not huge. Easy to chuck in your crochet bag or your handbag, whatever it is that you like to take with you. And yeah, when you've got some spare time, traveling in the car, for me, I love being able to crochet while I'm traveling in the car as a passenger. Yeah, quite compact, and that's that is one of the reasons I absolutely love crochet, is that it is a very compact, on the go project to take with you. A bit of a boredom buster, because I tend to get bored very easily. That's me. So in the car in particular, I like to have something to do, and or when watching TV. Not that I do a lot of watching TV, but on the odd occasion, crochet is what I like to do. So this is something I've been doing in the car. This is another hexagon cardigan that I've started. So this is my recent car project. It's going to be a hexi cardi, and I love the colours. See the colourway in that? That's got, you know, all my favourite colours in there, except for black, of course. But it's got the green. Olive green is my favourite colour. There's purple, there's blue. They're all in my top favourite colours, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, this is one I've just pretty much been doing in the car. And that's what I love about crochet, because you just need your yarn, your hook, and that's all you need. You're ready to go. If you also love your crochet and you have your little on-the-go projects that you like to do in the car or when you're on holidays or whatever, maybe just comment in the description so I can read what you guys are up to and what you like to do. All right, I'm going to get into these kits very soon, so I will see you guys again soon shortly.